Hi, hello everyone. We know very well 0 factorial is 1. So, in the video, 0 factorial is 1. எப்படி வந்ததுன்னு பார்க்க போறோம். Yes, let's get started. So, before going to 0 factorial, remaining factorials பார்க்கலாம். That is 1 factorial is 1. 2 factorial is 2. And 3 factorial is 6. 4 factorial is 24. Yes. So previous video la paatha madiri ingiyum reverse technique use panna porom. So left hand side 1 reduce aayirukku 4 to 3. So inga I'm going to divide it by 4. So enakku 6 kedichirukku. So 24 by 4 that is 6. So again left la 1 reduce aayirukku 3 to 2 1 reduce aayirukku. Inga 6 divided by 3 that is 2. Same thing left la 2 to 1 1 reduce aayirukku 2 divided by 2 that is 1. So again left la 1 to 0 that is 1 reduce aayirukku inga I'm going to divide it by 1. So 1 divided by 1 then I will be getting 1. So I got 0 factorial is 1. That's it. Hope you understood. See you in the next video. Ta-ta, bye bye.